In this dawn of the Golden Age, we stand on the threshold of a time unlike any other. This is a time where ancient wisdom and modern visions merge to create a future bright with possibility, where unity and compassion flow freely and transform every corner of our world. Imagine a world where kindness reigns, where people are not defined by borders, beliefs, or boundaries, but by their shared humanity. Imagine communities built on mutual respect, where every voice is heard and every soul valued. This is the world we are creating, a place where love flows as naturally as rivers meet the sea, and where peace is not just a dream, but our collective reality. The Golden Age asks us to awaken to our truest selves. No longer will we be confined by the illusions of separation, fear, or lack. Instead, we are rising as beings of light, capable of creating miracles, sharing infinite love, and expanding our hearts and minds to embrace all that is. This is the age of truth, where shadows dissolve in the presence of wisdom and courage replaces doubt. It is an age where healing takes precedence over harm, and the bond between humans and nature is restored to balance. This time calls on each of us to lift ourselves and each other. We are the architects of this new age, every thought a seed, every act a building block. With every kind gesture, every choice rooted in love, we build this golden age. It is not a gift to be given, but a responsibility we joyfully take upon ourselves. For it is we who shape this world, who breathe life into it with each intention and action. In this golden age, children grow up knowing they are cherished, empowered to follow their dreams without fear. Elders are honored as living libraries, their wisdom guiding us in ways both practical and profound. Families of all kinds find harmony in their diversity, learning from one another and celebrating differences. Knowledge is shared openly, technology used ethically, and the earth is revered as the sacred home she has always been. Imagine cities thriving with gardens and wildlife, where technology serves humanity, enhancing our well-being without compromising our planet. Picture forests, rivers, mountains, and oceans restored to their fullest beauty, a reminder of the divine balance we are meant to live in harmony with. Animals roam freely, respected as kindred souls on this journey of life. To live in this golden age is to remember our oneness with all that is. It is to live not in pursuit of wealth, power, or prestige, but in the pursuit of wisdom, love, and the boundless joy that comes from knowing we are all connected. It is a time when fear and scarcity fall away. We recognize that abundance lies within us and around us, waiting to be shared. This age is a journey, and every soul is welcome. It invites every individual, regardless of background or belief, to take part in the creation of this world. In this time, there is no other, no division of them and us. We are all united in purpose, woven together as one tapestry, one heartbeat, one dream. So let us step boldly into this golden age with open hearts and open minds. Let us nurture this dream every day, choosing love over fear, unity over division, and hope over despair. We are here together to birth this new world into being, knowing that each moment holds within it the power to create a golden age beyond our wildest imaginings. Let us walk hand in hand, illuminating the path for those who follow, with the light of a love so vast, so powerful, that it reshapes everything it touches. We are the bringers of a new dawn, the keepers of an eternal flame that will never be extinguished. The golden age is not somewhere in the future. It is here, now, in every heartbeat, every breath, every choice made with love.